Come outside of a building that you might be in, or come outside of your house and simply listen to the natural sounds of the environment. The natural, even if it's a billion cars going by.
Get up, everybody move.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Soul Expression. I'm very happy to be with you today. I am your freedom lifestyle coach and your yoga lifestyles coach. And I'm here today with another tip to help boost your practice. And so today's tip is about restoring in silence. To restore in silence. What it means to reset the thinking mind into a restorative healing mind. Because a lot of times during the day, we're called and we kind of have to use a lot of our thinking power. And sometimes it's so much of the day because we task ourselves with so many things to do and we have to go to so many different places in a single day that we never get a chance to actually shut off the thinking mind and to turn on our healing, restorative mind. And so what you need to do in order to help facilitate that within yourself and within your day is every day take a quick second to maybe come outside. It doesn't have to be such a beautiful place like near some water or something, but just come outside of a building that you might be in, or come outside of your house and simply listen to the natural sounds of the environment. The natural, even if it's a billion cars going by, as long as it's not the sounds of your workplace and your your music and your just all of the noise that we constantly have on, whether it's to help us concentrate or to distract us from things that get on our nerves or whatever. All of that noise needs rest, just like your body needs rest. Your mind needs rest from the noise. And so to restore in silence, because we bombard ourselves every day with constant noise. And to restore in silence is to help facilitate within you some more space and some more openness within your heart so that you can meet every day and meet every new challenge that comes your way with a sense of openness and from that place of freedom. That place of freedom that you can only reach if you're able to listen to yourself and to live from your true essence. And so today I encourage you to restore in silence, to turn off the thinking mind and to turn on your more restorative healing mind. And I'm going to do the same right here out in nature. I'm doing it with you, right here alongside you. So I really want you to know the importance even of shutting off that thinking mind and restoring your mental state in silence. And like I said, it doesn't have to be absolute silence. You don't need earplugs for this. It's not an exercise that needs, it's a lot of sweaty work or anything. It's not like that. It's simply, whether you can go outside or maybe you go to a room that you usually don't go to within your house, apartment, whatever. Or go to your family member's house and sit in a room that you don't usually occupy and just restore in silence on purpose for your own mental health, your own emotional health, and your own spiritual growth. I encourage you today to restore in silence. I'm sending love. I hope you receive this virtual hug, and let's have the best day that we can. See you guys on the other side. Peace. So if you're new to Ufulu Child, make sure you subscribe to get more mind mastery content dropped straight into your YouTube feed. If you enjoyed today's episode of Get Your Mind Right, let me know by clicking that like button, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Peace and love.